Welcome to Preservation Travels with Lane and Kevin at our Restoration Nation. Do we have a treat for you today? We are in Natchez, Mississippi, founded in 1716, one of our favorite and most beautiful cities. And we are going to be showing you the famous Keyhole House. This house was built in 1885 in the grand Queen Anne style, but throughout the home, on its exterior and interior, you see beautiful aesthetic movement influences, starting with, of course, the famous keyhole entryway. We call it vernacularly a keyhole, but it's another example of Middle Eastern design influence and another example of a mashrabia. You'll see the design echoed on the window on the second floor, but the entire exterior, beautifully designed by famed architect George Barber, is the height of aesthetic movement design style. Come inside. Let me show you what treasures this beauty holds. Welcome to the entryway of this palatial home. Take note of the coved ceilings. They're in every room throughout this beautiful home. Maybe my favorite mantelpiece in the entire house is this one here in the entryway. You'll see the original, most likely mitten tiles, which depict dawn, midday, and dusk, all complete and original. Of course, we have my favorite, as you well know at this point, if you've joined us on preservation tours, working pocket doors entering into the living space with their original hardware and lock sets, my favorite, and this incredible colonnade that takes us up to the second floor. And this is just the entryway. Formal parlor, as always, just as you enter to the left. We're surrounded by Victorian grandeur in this room. We have incredible corner blocks on each of the windows. This home does retain its original windows, which you know we are very passionate about. The two front windows are walkouts with their original screen doors on the exterior. Once again, we have coved ceilings and this incredible medallion in the center of the room. And yet again, another beautifully carved beveled glass mantelpiece. These mantelpieces are showpieces in each room of this property. And behind me, another set of functioning, exquisite pocket doors. Welcome to this absolutely splendid formal dining room. Painted, may I add, in this beautiful shade of blush, which is very flattering to a woman's skin in candlelight. But the details you'll want to notice is this beautiful gasolier converted to electric, the wainscoting that surrounds the room with three-dimensional design, and the original mantelpiece with Minton tiles that have a passion flower theme. Coved ceilings and original picture rail grace this room as well. We have a fantastic, very period appropriate kitchen featuring a chamber stove from the 1930s, which to me alone is worth buying this home for. Attached to the kitchen is this fantastic study and breakfast area, which looks out over the backyard pool. Welcome to the family parlor, a huge space for entertaining or relaxing. And here again, we have coved ceilings with original picture rail. I can't tell you how rare and special that is. Another masterpiece of a mantel, and again, beautiful walkout windows to access the incredible porch. There's a powder room off the main hall, which has a wall mount tank period toilet and a vanity constructed from an antique chifforobe. To light your way up the stair, we have this period gasolier, which has been electrified. The main bedroom upstairs offers ample closet space, another beautiful period mantel with period tile laid in the encaustic style on the hearth. It features a walkout window to enjoy the second floor balcony. And a large bathroom. This built-out attic space gives an absolutely fantastic multifunctional room, a loft bedroom, an exercise space, or a study. No matter what its use, it's charming. Yes, we know this bedroom is styled for a teenager, but this look played an important role in the life of its former resident. This space served as inspiration for her off-Broadway musical, Animal Wisdom. It features a walkout window onto the front facade balcony, a beautiful original mantel with encaustic tile, and has access to an ensuite bath. The curved wall behind the bed mimics the hallway behind it and is an incredible architectural piece that you wouldn't see in a home today. This delightful summer porch space is a great space for upstairs lounging and gives access to a super secret, incredible attic space. Up we go. Are you ready? The third floor has a completely separate apartment living space with a beautiful skylight for natural light and independent living. Great for your grown teenager or as a B&B space, bedroom, living space, bathroom, and kitchenette. We hope you've enjoyed today's tour of Natchez's famous Keyhole House. Let us remind you, we are not realtors. We cannot answer any of your questions about the price or condition of this property, but the person who can is listed below in our description. This beautiful property, sitting on 1 acre, built in 1885 and beautifully preserved with off-street parking and a swimming pool, is on the market for $747,000. Are you its next caretaker? Maybe we'll see you next time we visit Natchez. Bye!